Hey guys, it's your boy 72Nasty with Tiny Diamond Bikes where custom lives, and I'm gonna let y'all see my rascal. Oh, got some stuff. I painted it, and I also have the Predator. So I've put it together. I'm gonna let y'all see the paint job, and then I'm gonna show y'all the Predator, but I have not put the Predator on there yet. So here we go. So I opted for the blue grips on my throttle. I went ahead and customized this, customized the plate, customized the tank as y'all seen when I painted it. I mounted the seat. I love this fucking frame, man. This shit's redundant. It's definitely gonna be for sale. And I don't know if I'm doing the Rick and Morty like I told y'all. I think this one is gonna be the green aliens from Toy Story. So that's what I'm going with. That's the name of it. It's the claw from the aliens from Toy Story. So if y'all see this bike, y'all know it's called the Claw. You know what I mean? I'm going to put some green aliens somewhere on this frame. I just got to get the right pieces and find them where to put them. And then this is the 212 that I just copped this morning from the mini quad build. I built that, sold it yesterday, as y'all seen in the video. And I went and copped this morning. This is the Hemi version, but I could give a fuck less. I'm just trying to get this motherfucker in the game. And so I don't care. Because I have a non-Hemi on my Manco Thunderbird. Now, this piece and that piece are coming off. And they're going to go on the Hemi Predator 212. And I'm going to put these original parts back on here. So that way, this Manco Thunderbird will be kind of stock. You know what I mean? I like it stock, and I want to keep it like that. So, fuck it. Let's do it. And the Manco Thunderbird stock is fucking stupid fast. And I just don't want to, Yes, baby. Daddy's doing his YouTube channel. This is Amazing. My daughter. Her name is Amazing. She will start her YouTube channel when she feels like it. But, yeah. So, that is the bike, you guys, that I customized. And those components are going to go on this bike, so hopefully I don't have no interference with the muffler. I might have to take the gas tank and swap it around on that side, but we'll see. I mean, they got a couple little different mount spots. I can, you know what I mean? Just looking at that right there, I don't know. I do not know. We'll see. What do y'all think? Y'all think it's gonna run into this? We don't know. But it is soon to come. Yep, I love it. And then this one here. I don't know if I'm painting this one pink yet. I don't know. I do not know. But I know it looks good. And that's how we want to keep it. Put a little sheen on this seat. Keep that seat looking somewhat good. It's just basically the elements fuck them up. You know what I mean? People leave them out. Never take into consideration that, I mean, shit can get fucked up and dry it out. But it's always good to just take care of shit. It's good for that. See, look at that. It's disgusting. That's years of sitting. This guy, I bought this frame for $50 and a halo tattoo over his little freaking angel wing or whatever. His wings or something. I forgot what it was. But all he wanted was a fucking halo. And I did the tattoo of a halo for him over his little joint. He was happy with that. So, you win, you win. Everybody wins, everybody's happy. That's all that matters, people. Do you see any rags over there, Nuna?
What is rags? What do they look like?
It's okay. Because I got all these Corona bags. Not Corona, but, no, these aren't those. There we go. Yep. Yes. This thing is so nice. You gotta take care of your stuff. You hear me, baby? People appreciate it. You like your scooter? Yeah. Yep. But there it is, you guys. I'm gonna get up out of here once again. My name is 72 Nasty, and this is Tiny Diamond Bikes for Custom Lives. And as y'all seen, I got my bike out here. So, yes, the Mini Rascal. Coming from North Las Vegas. Holla at your boy. And I'm out.